Hey guys, it's Aarati and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new camera features on Instagram. Usually, when you used to take pictures on your story, you only used to get the 4 options of create, boomerang, hands-free and super zoom. But now Instagram offers 4 more features for you to explore and you may or may not know about it. So I'm going to talk about them right here and also explain how to use them. Let's begin. The first feature we're going to talk about is the layout. Now, layout has been on Instagram before, but it was only available for the post initially. Now it is also available for the stories. There was also a separate app for layout which you had to download to use that feature. So this feature provides you 5 layouts, which are: the first one is the 4 frames, second one is 2 horizontal, third one is 3 horizontal, fourth one is 2 vertical, and fifth one is where you get 6 frames in one story. This feature can also be used as a collage or to show anything in one frame. So for example, if your vacation or your views or anything like that. The second feature is MultiCapture. Now this is something very new and this is also very useful when you want to click certain moment or something like that. For example, your puppy or your cat or anything moving. Because this feature lets you capture 8 pictures back to back and you just have to frame it. After you capture them, you can just shortlist by choosing the best out of them and delete the rest. The next feature is level. This feature makes sure that you're holding your device straight before you take any picture or a video. And this feature is very useful to frame your pictures and they align your picture really well and easily. And then the last feature is the photo booth. Now this feature is quite exciting because it turns your photos into one video. It means that it will capture 4 photos one after the other and it will form a video of those pictures, just like this. So that's it for this video, guys. These features I found it really useful and unique and I'm going to use them all the time. If you have any questions related to this video, then please comment down below. Give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!